Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here I am your teacher with the second lecture of the chapter Computer Viruses. In today's lecture, we'll talk about the types of computer viruses. So by grouping viruses by their target, we can divide them into the following categories. These are program viruses, boot viruses, macro viruses. So let's go through them one by one. Program viruses. Program viruses infect program files which have extensions like .com, .exe, .sys, .dll, .ovl and .scr. The virus becomes active when the infected file is executed, and examples are Acid Rain, Alien 298, Sunday and Cascade. Means to say that these viruses infect executable program files with extensions like you can see .com, .exe and so on. These programs are loaded in the memory during execution, taking the virus with them. And thus the virus becomes active in memory, making copies of itself and infecting and destroying files on disks. And the examples you can see are Acid Rain, Alien 298, Sunday, Cascade and so on. Next one is boot viruses. Boot viruses infect the boot records of hard disks and floppy disks. Boot viruses are considered more dangerous than program viruses, and examples Danish boot, Devil 941, Stoned virus, and so on. You can say that these viruses infect disk boot records in hard disks. They replace the boot record programs, which is responsible for loading the operating system in memory by copying it somewhere else on the disk. These viruses load into the memory if the computer tries to read the disk while it is booting. Thus, it causes slow startup and shutdown process. And examples are Danish boot, devil, stoned virus. Next one is macroviruses. Macrovirus uses the macro language for its program. These viruses infect data files. For example, MS Word and MS Excel files are susceptible to macrovirus attacks, as these programs allow the user of macros. And examples Melissa, Concept and Nuclear. Basically, macro language is a series of commands and instructions that you group together as a single command to accomplish a task automatically. Thus, these macroviruses spread much more rapidly than other forms of viruses because people frequently share data files. You can see in MS Word and MS Excel. Most of the time, people share these types of data files, and thus these viruses frequently and rapidly spread. I hope you'll understand today's lecture. We'll talk about a malware, that is a malicious software, in the next lecture. Thank you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.